Okay guys, I am done with working out. So I didn't do intense workout today simply because like now and strainile my muscles, so it affected ne. So I am doing my biokinesis exercises today just to recover. And yeah, right now let's just go home. My camera battery is low. I forgot another battery, so I wanted to use the camera because I want to move away from paying the storage for iPhone. So I am learning to use my camera. Le rang a million times. I'm like, oh my goodness. But anyways, I need to learn to do that, to utilize the equipments that I have and save my phone for my kids' pictures, so not for vlogging anymore. So we need to be comfortable on using the uncomfortable things in public, because everyone will be looking at you when you whip up your camera. It's as if, hey girl, what's lying? But right now let's go guys. And hey guys, so I was packing the kids' clothes, right? So they were traveling for 2 weeks because the so that's my dance move. I'm like, yeah, you are letting go. I'm removing all the attachment signaling on with the kids, but I am actually learning to let go. And Bokuko, they want them. And my mother-in-law, even my mom, they haven't seen them in a while. So they usually go to Free State because they have a cousin who's like older than Kanto, a year older than Kanto. So they prefer to go there as opposed to going to my parents' house. Because my parents' house, they don't have kids no more, you know. So yeah, guys, when we got there, we went for a mini grocery shopping. Because my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, they were at church. So I was like, you know what, even if I am tired, when people come back from church, they must get food, you know. And obviously, I think even the kids were hungry. So I got there and I cooked. I think I cooked the trending balls and cabbage thing from TikTok. But I have seen this from Letabo. Yeah, on Instagram. That's what I made. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and we shall catch up later. Ngihamba phakathi kumoya nomhlaba, izinyawo zami zithinta kungabonwayo, izwe lithule likhuluma naphakathi lithi khumbula wedwa, izinkanyezi ziphala amagama ebusuku. Hey guys, welcome back to another day on the vlog. Today is a Saturday and I am off to a date. I am so hungry, yo. So I am going to see my favorites, and I am in Ritz. So I am driving to Bethlehem. You can take a guess who am I going to see? Yeah. Who is it? Let me know in the comment down below before you watch the video further. so nice.
Izinyanya zikhuluma ngomoya opholile ephushede lingafuna ukunyamalala sithi phila kodwa ulalele nobumsabu izifolo izinyabezi izikho.
Guys, Lungi didn't come and say hello. Hi.
How are you? Guys, please watch the ads and Dondoni.
Yeah, Dondoni, watch the ads.
Please watch
and
the
share the
ads.
video
And
about
share the video so we can have lots of dates.
yes.
Yeah.
Re bolo, guys. Oh, okay, favor Kaiser Chiefs.
Yay! What do you guys favor? King?
Yeah, le favor Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns.
Yes,
Chiefs. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day on the vlog. So today is Monday and it's a holiday, so I am just going to show you guys what I'll be doing today. I'm not doing anything actually because I'm about to close this vlog. So I have booked for my couches to be cleaned and the rugs, so the guys are here. Let me show you how dirty it is. Right, so they are here. I'm going to open for them and they can start cleaning the couches and the chairs. Since the kids are not available, I thought it would be a good thing to just do them right now before schools open, because Bona, they are closing for the whole month and then they're not gonna be here for 2 weeks. So when they come back, at least everything is clean, so we can see how we manage them or how we keep them clean. So let's go. So guys, I am going to do my nails. Look at my nails. Look. They are done. Hadisa robega this weekend. I get to but quickly gonna go do my nails. And then ke go hulwa tse koreka borotho ling. I get bread and some fruits. And then we are back. We're gonna be coming back, and then hopefully some of the couches and the rug, they'll be done cleaning them. So let's go.
Ngihamba phakathi komoya nomhlaba, izinyawo zami zithida kungabonwayo.
Like, I am so happy. This is finally happening. The couches and I didn't frustrate. I think, guys, since we bought them, we never washed them. It's been almost a year. We bought them last year, right? Yeah, it's almost a year. Ne? And then it did chila. Plus the kids, they'll touch them with food. Yo. And then not get anything bright. So my couches are bright. Everyone can see they are dirty. They are so light in a sense where, like, where you put your hands, with oil, you can see with your eye. This is so dirty. So yeah, no, let's go. I'm glad they managed to come because we had a whole back and forth, over. I can, but thank you, for referral. Hey guys, so I am done. I'm done at Duluth's. I went to get bread, my bread, Harvey's bread, chicken livers, and some gochujang paste. So, and I'm done with my nails. Look how pretty they look. We went for a different color. I've never done this misty blue thing, but it looks so cutesy. And I did my toes white. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna close the vlog here. Oh, let me close when I get home. But if you are new here, please do not leave without subscribing, and please follow, please watch ads, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please guys, do not forget to join my membership if you want to support me, and I am dropping more career content on my membership vlogs or videos. So if you are looking for a job, please consider subscribing to my membership. And what else? That's it guys. I'll see you in the next one, but I will show you the after of my couches when I get home. I'm not sure if they will be dry, but the guys didn't even spend 2 hours. I think they did it for an hour. Both couches, chairs, and 2 rugs. So yeah, I will show it to you even if it's not that dry, and then we can close this vlog so I can start a new vlog. I'm on my vlogging mode era. Okay guys, bye. Love you, bye.
Give it all